Hi, today we are going to see real-time scenarios in Oracle. In that, we are going to see the hierarchical query. What is hierarchical query? Hierarchical query is a type of SQL query that handles the hierarchical model data. That means the parent-child relationship between the data. I assume that you know about the parent-child relationship, one-to-one, one-to-many relationships, etc. Okay, we are going to see some simple SQL regarding to the hierarchical query. Okay, and this is the SQL. Select level as sequence from dual, connect by level lesser than or equal to 5. Okay, this query will execute level having the initial value 1 from dual. I think everybody aware of the dummy table dual. Okay, and sequence is the alias name, that is the temporary name of the column. These are all the basic things that you know about how to use the SQL, the table alias, column alias, etc. Okay, in query, condition will be checked and the relationship is created by using this connect. We will see what is connect and level. Okay, relationship is created by using the connect by between the level having the value 1 and the specified condition. Okay, now what it will do, no, it will display the numbers from 1 to 5. Okay, it will display the values till it pass that specified condition. That means it will display up to the number 5. It will display up to the number 5 only. Okay, if you specify 6, it will display the numbers up to 6. I will explain about what is this connect by and level now. The level refers to the pseudo column. Pseudo column is the column you cannot see in the Oracle. It's a hidden one. Okay, here the level is used in the hierarchical query to identify the hierarchical level. I already told that hierarchical relationship, parent-child relationship. It helps us to identify the hierarchical level, that is parent-child, in the numeric format. Okay, numeric format. The level 1 returns for root row. Level returns number 1 for root row and 2 for child of the root row and so on. Okay, it's like a tree-like structure that everybody knows about the hierarchical. Without parent, no child will be there. Okay, level must be used with connect by class. Okay, without connect by, you cannot use the level. Okay, the connect by class defines the hierarchical relationship. The connect by class only defines the hierarchical relationship between the parent and the child rows of the hierarchy. Okay, the connect by class defines the relationship between the parent and child. It defines the hierarchical relationship, not order relationship. Hierarchical relationship means parent of, then employer of, like that hierarchical relationship between the data. Okay, a dual is a dummy table, everybody knows, automatically generated by the Oracle. Now I am going to execute that query. We will see the result. Already I have written that query, just I will execute now. Select level as sequence from dual, connect by level lesser than or equal to 5. See, it generates number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And in interview, they will ask you to write the SQL. If you give the input Oracle, then it should display, you have to split into columns. That means if you give the Oracle, it should display vertically. Okay. It should display like this, one after the O, after O, then R, then A, like that it should display. I think you are able to see the display in the presentation. Okay. For that, we need to write one query. How will you How we are going to write it? We will see that query now. Okay, this is the most important one. In the interview, definitely they will ask, if I give the input Oracle, how will you write the query by using this level and connect by? You should write it. Okay? Here, I am using the substring. Okay, substring, and the word Oracle, I am just extracting the letters by using this level and the using the level. Okay, I think everybody knows about the substring. Okay, to extract the part of the string that everybody knows. Okay, you just have to pass the parameter level and comma 1. That means you will extract O or like that and connect by level lesser than or equal to length of the oracle. Okay, you have to give like this. The length of the oracle is 6. Already explained about the connect by. Okay, using the connect by, you have to the connect by and level will work together. We cannot use separately. The connect by level lesser than or equal to length of the oracle is 6. So one by one it will display. Using the substring, we can display it. Okay. This is the way, and you have to explain what is connect by and level. I will execute the query now. See, now it will be displaying, okay, vertically. That means it's split it into columns. Okay. Now we can use apple also. Then it will display the apple in this format. Okay. You can try that. Okay. It displays apple in this format. Okay. This is the main purpose of this hierarchical query. Now we will see some more queries. If somebody asks you to display the first 50% of the records from the employee table, what you will do? This is a simple one. Okay. See, here we are going to use the row number, and E dot star means we are selecting all the columns, and employee alias is E. Okay. And E dot star, that asterisk symbol represents we are selecting all the columns from the table. And where we are using the row number lesser than or equal to count of star. Count of star is the total number of the records in the table. For example, 18 means it will select a 9. Okay. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So up to 9 it will display. So the first half of the records, that means 50% of the total records will be displayed over here. It shows 8. We will check the total number of records. See, the total number of records is 17. So it displays only 8 records. Up to this, I think margin it will be displayed. Okay, 50% of the records now is displayed. You are able to see, I think. You have to use the row number, okay, for displaying the 50% of the. This is the first 50%. If they ask you to display the last 50% of the records from employee table, what you will do? Now we have displayed the first 50%. The last 50% means we have to minus the first 50% from the total. The total number of records 17 means you have to minus the first 8 records. Then we can display the remaining. Okay. Then we will write it. Now we are going to display the last 50%. See, it starts from the row number 9. That means the 9th record. Why we are using the row number means then only we can know from which record it is selecting. If we don't use that, we cannot filter out the records. You have to use the row number. By using this row number only, we are going to display the last 50%. That means we are selecting the first full records, the total number, that is the entire records from the table, and we are subtracting the first 50%. So we are able to get the last 50%. This is for last 50% of the records, which here it starts from the record number 9. So it displays the last 50. And we are going to see the common records, how to fetch only the common records between the tables. For example, you are having one table called a retired table, and you are having one table with the live employees. And if you want to see the common records, that means who are all retired at present is in the live table. If it is in the live table, you have to delete it. For that, you have to fetch the common records from these two tables. I am going to use the employee and the employee retired table for this. See, it contains 6 records, the employee retired. And we are going to use the intersect. There we have used the minus. Now we are going to use the intersect, which will display the common records from both the tables. See, it displays the common records. Okay. That means these records present in both the tables. You have to exclude. You have to exclude these retired employees from the active table. Okay. There is one record I will show that. In retired table, this record is there XXX. This is exclusively available only in the retired table, not in the active table. So that this is already removed from the active table. We can assume like that. We have already removed from the active table. But these are all the records still in the active as well as the retired. So we can remove these records from the active table. Okay. This is the main purpose of this intersector. Okay, we will see some more real-time scenarios and interview question and answer. These are what we have seen so far, not only real-time scenarios, they will ask these type of questions in interviews also. Okay, we will see like this in the coming videos. Thanks, bye.